If you want to know how to maintain a long distance relationship, then watch this video till the end. Hi, beautiful soul. I am Bithika. Welcome to my channel Divine Healing. Today we will discuss how to maintain a long distance relationship. If you're having a long distance relationship with your partner, this video might help you. Let's start with number 1. Make yourself understand when there is a long distance that distance is in your mind. Stop craving for physical presence. You know the reason for which they have gone distance. It is for their good, it is for their career, it is for their whatever reason they are in distance. When two people are mentally connected very deeply, physical presence hardly make any difference. Your craving every day for the physical presence will make things more complicated for the person who has gone far for some work. You should be responsible enough, you should be mentally responsible enough to support that person by understanding that distance is all in mind and our love is pure. And when you have this in mind, you will realize that no distance is too far. Number 2, make sure to fix a particular time in a day that you fix, both of you, and spend some quality time together. Since there was so much of distance physically and then connectivity issue, don't start bursting out with your negative emotions, with your all things pouring out. That is your quality time. That is the time when you people got the chance to talk. Share your beautiful things. Understand their issues. Share things that uplifts each other during your quality time. In this way, when you're getting the chance to communicate, you will take the most out of it. The biggest problem is people in long distance relationship, the moment they connect, they start fighting about what went wrong. They don't realize that they just got a chance to be together for some time. Make most out of it. Number 3. If you really want your long distance relationship to survive, convert your relationship into friendship. Yes, a love relationship with friendship has more depth in it, has more strength in it. You know what happened when our friends are away from us? We are more considerable, we are more good with people who are friends, but we are too much, into the person. We are too much expecting from people we are in love with. So when you convert the relationship into friendship, your perspective will be much wider. You will understand that person in much more wider aspect. So take the decision that we will be friends, we are lover, but we will be more friends. And that is where you will be able to cope up with this distance. Number 4, when you crave so much about the distance, use that energy to do something productive in your own life. You cannot deal with this distance. They are supposed to be at a distant place. So what are you going to do? You're just going to look into your phone, waiting all the time. Use that energy to do something good in life. If you are also occupied in your own world, like the person who is on the distant is, it will be easier for you to balance the energy. Because your desperateness will only cause you harm, will only cause you feel anxious. And then everything gets complicated when you guys connect. So use that energy for doing something productive, creative. Involve yourself into some creativity, some skills, watch some movies. You have your own life too. And that's how you'll be able to deal with long distance relationship. And last but not least, number 5. But before that, I would request you to subscribe this channel, like this video. I post videos every Monday to Friday. Some of the other content will surely help you out. Now, number 5. Do you know if you're in a long distance relationship, you're actually very lucky. Relationship with a good amount of distance, space, gives you the space for the relationship to grow. It's easy to be together and fight all the time. It's not that easy to be in long distance. So it's a blessings in disguise. This space will decide whether you people are actually meant to be together or not. So utilize this. Relationship need space. Yes. When people are too much connected, too much together, at some point it gets boring. At some point things get complicated. So life has given you both the chance to be together, to face that challenge and see whether you are actually meant to be together or not. Because it's easy when two people are together physically present. It's not that easy when it comes to distance. And distance sometimes decides whether this person is actually meant for you or not. So embrace the distance, use it wisely, be responsible in the relationship. This will also help you to become more mature in the relationship, because maturity is the primemost thing when it comes to a long-term relationship. That was today's video. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.